Hey guys, how you doing? It's your girl Miss Debs coming to you from here in my kitchen in Orange, New Jersey. Giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, because you know without him there could be no me, no you, no us. And you know what I always say, without God there could be no me, no you, no us. Guys, today I'm doing a potato tot casserole. We're going to have the potato puffs. They're already seasoned, golden brown shredded potatoes. Then we're going to have a combination of the three meats that you would make a meatloaf with, or you could just use regular ground beef if that's what you have. And we also have mozzarella cheese, mild cheddar cheese. Both of those are shredded. And we have one medium onion slice, and we have tricolor peppers. Let's get this casserole on and popping. Hey guys, so remember I told you I always take meat fresh, which is frozen, from out of my fridge. So I put it in a little water so you guys can see how I do it. I don't use grease and to break the meat apart, and then the grease that comes out of. And also, here's a tip: when you use the water, it takes away a lot of the grease and the fat. So that's something you should know, right? That's a good tip. Okay, right here, these are the ingredients that you see that's on top of that hamburger meat that's in the pot. I had onion powder. I used onion and herb seasoning from Dash, Worcestershire sauce, adobo, and just a little bit of the sazon, but I did want to show you the packet, but only use like 1/4 teaspoon. Then here we have our veggies, green, yellow, orange, and red, and we have our onion. So as soon as that meat start cooking and I start breaking it up, I'm going to add in my onions and peppers. Already did the seasonings already. I can put all that back. All right, guys, hold on. So, guys, I'm getting ready to drain this, and then I'm going to add in some chili sauce, ketchup, only 1.5 tablespoons of both. And I'm going to drain this juice and water out and a little bit of grease that came from it. And I'm going to add my veggies and onions. So guys, I drained my meat. Here go my ground beef and the different types of meat, pork and veal. Here goes the onions. We just put in the bell pepper. I put some black pepper to this too, guys. Now, I have 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder and ketchup. And we're just going to do this. We're not going to put any tomato sauce in this. Well, this is kind of like tomato sauce, but this is ketchup and chili sauce, and we're going to do this to give the meat like a texture, a different type, almost like a wet texture, but not quite, because we're not putting sauce in here. We don't want this to be a sauce type thing, saucy, you know. We're not doing saucy soup. So we got that going, guys, as you can see. Okay. Now I'm going to put a pot top on that. I'm going to let that cook down just for a little bit, around about 3 minutes, okay? Be right back. And I put a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce in the meat. I forgot to tell you guys that. So that is it. Came out nice. I like them edges kind of crusty. See, I just cut a piece. Cheese oozing. This is it right here. It's hot. Meat is at the bottom. The recipe is going to be in my description. I always try to give you guys the recipe. Sometimes it's kind of difficult, but this was a nice, quick, easy one with not a lot of ingredients. Thank you guys for joining your girl. God bless you. May heaven smile down upon you. Come over to Miss Deb. She always got something cooking and brewing.
Hey, you know that's right. She do be cooking up that good stuff. Hey, Lord, she be whipping